You talking to me, buddy? Oh, you are. Yeah, look, I mean, can I touch you? I fucking could touch you. Oh, don't know, you're gonna bite me, aren't you? Oh, I don't have any food. I got nothing to give you, man. Sorry. I wish I could feed you. You are pretty cool, though. That's a raven, everyone. And he's literally talking to me, man. I mean, don't hurt me. Ow! He bit me. Now that is something else. Oh, I know. Oh, Harry, stop making weird noises at me. Oh, man. I got nothing to feed you, buddy. All right, gotta go.